Hazrat Abu Sa'id said, "The roof of the mosque was of the branches, leaves of the date palm." And Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu ordered to rebuild the Prophet's mosque and said, "I want to save people from rain and avoid painting it red or yellow. Otherwise, people would get enmeshed in a trial. They will get engrossed in observing those colorful paints." Hazrat Anas radiallahu anhu said, "People will boast of them more and visit the mosques less to perform prayer." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu said, "You will embellish them as the Jews and the Christians do." Hazrat Nafi reports that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu anhu told him that in the lifetime of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the mosque was built of adobes and its roof was of the branches of date palm and its pillars were of stems of the date palm. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu did not extend it. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu expanded it and built it on the foundations laid during the reign of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam by using adobes, branches of date palm and pillars of wood of date palm. Then Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu altered it and expanded it to a great extent and built its walls with engraved stones and lime and made its pillars of engraved stones and its roof of teak wood. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 446.